What is up, folks? Justin Phillip here from Dog Times Productions, and today we're just doing a very short, quick tip on the Atomos Shinobi. Now, I've already done a review of this. I've already done a couple test videos of this, different features and things of that nature, different questions coming in from subscribers and such. So I'm going to put links to those videos down in the description below. However, as a result of the test videos and review videos I've already done on this unit, I did get hit with some particular questions, very specific questions from more than one person. So I'm just going to do a very quick tip on a few of the features that I think people are confused about or are being slept on. So we're going to flip the world and we'll get into this right away. Everything in the background is dark, obviously, because I want you guys to focus on the screens here so I can kind of walk you through and show you what's going on. Now, yeah, I am using the GH5. One of the questions is specifically for GH5 users. So if you're not a GH5 user, I'm going to save that for last. But okay, the first one up is how do you get the awesome focus peaking features, okay? So what I do, my favorite feature of the focus is, okay, right now I have it set on intense for the job I was doing last night. But if maybe you've seen my review videos or my test videos, you know that I'm a big fan of what I call the X-ray focus peaking, and it's pretty simple to get to it. So what I did, I just hit monitor up here at the top. You gotta hit monitor, and you hit focus peaking, and here you see there's different flavors. Now, the first one is for what I currently have it set on, and this is gonna give you different strengths of just normal, normal focus peaking that you usually see. You see that? These are just normal focus peaking strengths here. And then this one is the reverse. So now you see it in monochrome. Some people that works better for. Or here's my favorite. This is the X-ray focus peaking. It's this third one here that's, outlined. And you hit that, now we're in what I call X-ray focus peaking. So this just happened to be a feature that some people didn't know how to get access to, and so there you go, there you have it. Okay, so we're gonna turn that off for now. And also, I will like to say that this is the same software or firmware as the Ninja 5, so this can work for your Ninja 5, for all you Ninja 5 users as well. Another feature that I think is slept on is the dual monitoring when using LUTs. So for the sake of this little tutorial here, I'm going to put my GH5 onto Vlog setting so we can really take full advantage of this. So let me find Vlog. Okay, we're in Vlog now. If you go to monitor and then go to monitor and then make sure you hit LUT, so you're on your LUT. Right now I have this LUT called Fashion Locon 33. Now the pack of LUTs, I have a lot of different LUTs inside of this Shinobi, but I specifically have a pack of LUTs that were for the Vericam, the Panasonic Vericam, and some of them work pretty good with the GH5. So here, so I was in monitor there to make sure I had LUT turned on. Now you go to LUTs and you can start picking through. So let's go to the popular one. This is the GH Alex Daylight LUT, okay? So we're in here at the GH Alex LUT, and then you just hit this compare button. And now you can get out of that by going here, and now you can see on one side is our GH Alex LUT, and on the other side is the Vlog L image. So that's a feature that I think is slept on a lot, and I think that's good for people that are recording in Log and in Cine D or any of those. So some people are having trouble. They said, okay, when you hit the playback button on your GH5 and you give it a minute to send through to the Shinobi, and then they were saying, hey man, I can't play this video. What's going on? And people are confused about how to play a video back through their monitor. Okay, so it's pretty simple. There is a little button right over here. A lot of people don't know. This little function wheel here, there's 4 more functions within this wheel. And when you assign different functions within the function setting, to get custom functions, there's actually another deep setting where each one of these, the top, the bottom, the left and the right, each one of these is a function button in itself. If you look right here, you'll see the GH5 is giving you a little clue. There's an up arrow next to the little movie camera logo. That means it wants you to press play. It wants you to press the up arrow to play back. And I think what people are confused about, they either don't see this logo or they do and they go, what the heck, where's that button at? Or they think you can touch somewhere on the Shinobi or your touchscreen monitor to play back. And none of those things is true. It's simply what I just showed you. This little wheel over here, you click up, and let me adjust exposure for the screen. And you'll notice it takes a minute, but there's the video, there's the intro I recorded earlier for you guys. So it's blown out because this is the GH Alex LUT is still applied onto my video there. And then you can even click these buttons here to stop. You see there I stopped by pressing down. And if I had more clips, I could, I'm clicking right here on the wheel. And if I had more clips, I could play more clips. So there you go. Yeah, you just press up and you can watch playback. Now, if you had headphones plugged into your Shinobi, you could hear the audio through there as well. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that we lost I lost a lens almost in the making of this video. I'm going to show you real quick here. Look at this. Look at this ghetto stuff I do when I'm lazy. I've been working 3 days straight, okay? And I didn't want to go down to the garage to get my other tripod, so I said, no man, I'll put it on this little cheapo Joby thing. And I walked away. I had the monitor on top of here, and I walked away to grab the mannequin, and this thing fell backwards. And now look at my lens. Tamron lens just snapped the whole side of it. You can no longer put filters on there now. So I just want you guys to know it still works. It still extends. Well, it was jammed, so I had to re-jam it because I couldn't get it to extend. So luckily, I almost put my Sigma art on this bad boy. And I said, nah, the Tamron's right here on the desk. So it still works. No glass was broken. GH5 seems okay for now. The Shinobi's a tank. But yeah, so I can no longer attach filters to this, so that's okay. I've been looking to get square NDs to use with my wooden camera zip box anyways. I just wanted you guys to know, don't be lazy or this is what happens. I should have went down and got my other tripod. Just so you know, we lost a little bit of our friend today in the making of this video. Yeah, the inside of it looks good. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, folks, so there you have it. Just a quick little tip. Those are literally 3 things that I got hit up about quite often. So I hope that helps. Other than the near loss of the Tamron zoom lens there, hey man, as long as the glass is still good, we're good to go, man. We can still make it happen. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, I'm a low-budget indie filmmaker. I actually work as a full-time freelance videographer and cinematographer right here in the Los Angeles area and all of Southern California. And I've been working in the film industry since 2010, so if you're into that, if you're a fellow low-budget indie filmmaker, this is my channel. I share tips and tricks that I learn along the way, so feel free to hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the dislike button, whatever you're into. As for all of my subscribers, thank you so much for your support and all your feedback, and for now, that's a wrap.